I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. What we need is to stand together, help our neighbors and our friends, stand as one in this stormy weather. Back to back, we can heal, we can mend. President-elect just walks in the White House, forgets all the promises made. Lobbyists all breaking out those checkbooks, man, for sale today. If you would do what you said you would, the world would be a perfect place. But the fact is, all you do is lie. Can't believe one single thing you say. What we need is to stand together, help our neighbors and our friends, stand as one in this stormy weather. Back to back, we can heal, we can mend. This world needs more people to stand, do their part to keep us free. Stop finding all the things that keep us apart and focus on you and me. Democrats and Republicans fighting over what they made. United we stand and divided we fall, can save us all again today. Yeah, what we need is to stand together, help our neighbors and our friends, stand as one in this stormy weather. Back to back, we can fight, we can win. Stand together, our backs against the wall. We have to help each other, or divided we will fall. Stand with me, stand together, be my neighbor, be my friend. We are stronger when united, side by side. We can heal, we can mend.